Good morning. My day began drinking cup of tea. So, and then I plan what to do. There's so many things to do in the kitchen, in the yard, in my sewing room, in my dining room. And before I go to bed, I make sure my kitchen bench, like dishwashing area, is tidy. So I put all the things that I washed the night before. And the other day, I bought plenty of ginger, plenty of garlic. It's summertime, so I'm going to cook them all. You know, when I'm cooking, I don't have to start frying the oil or ginger because I already have a prepared cooked ginger, prepared cooked garlic in jars. I sent Peter to get me a big jar of cooking oil because this is where I will put all my ginger and my garlic. It's really good to plan wise. You don't have to start cooking, frying ginger or frying garlic if you have in a ginger already. I'll show you one of mine. Here, see? This is a fried ginger. These are my base when I do Asian stir fries or Filipino tinola, things like that. Or when you do other dishes with fish, anything that ginger can be used for. And I also use ginger for massage therapy. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about ginger. Ginger has a lot of therapeutic effects. So make sure you have ginger. Especially when you sing a lot and when you talk a lot, those marites. Ginger is very good. All you have to do is remove the skin and cut a piece and just leave it under your tongue and just leave it there, and it's going to soothe your throat. And also ginger, I have a friend and she is from India. When I go and visit her, she will make us a cup of tea. What she does, she chop up the ginger, she boil the water, she pour the ginger over the water, and that is our cup of tea. So yeah, I learned a lot about using ginger in my food. All right, you have a good day. I have many things to do. As it is every day, I have to go in the garden when I get bored upstairs, or I go in the garden when I want to see my chicken and my flowers. So make your day a good day. Live purposely. Bye.